package in the mail. I wonder what's in it. Should we go find out? Hey sightseers, looks like we got a surprise mystery package in the mail. So today we're gonna open it up. It's exciting to be getting a package in the mail. Kind of like being a kid on Christmas. Let's open this up. It says, "Hey Sally, Marty and the Fur Babies. Here's a sample of the Mardi Gras throws we got from the parade we went to Saturday, and we thought we would share some with you all. We always position ourselves at the very end or the last couple of blocks of the parade route because that's when the people on the floats literally dumping everything that's left over the sides. When it comes to what they throw, there is no rhyme or reason for the various objects catapulted. When the guy threw the Navy flags with the attached candy, he threw both hands full, and I swear when these flags were airborne, I thought he was throwing lawn darts at us. Good thing it wasn't lawn darts or lawn jarts, don't you think? Still haven't figured out the meaning behind roll of Smarties or the Boston baked beans. Baked beans? Does that mean there's a can of baked beans in this box? We'll find out here shortly. Maybe it was something they could buy in bulk and cheap, who knows? Oh, the red plastic lobster is actually a crayfish or a crawdad is what they are called down here. I just remember the float they came from. There was a huge crawdad statue on board. Anyway, fun was had by all, and I hope you all enjoy these colorful mementos while you enjoy your winter wonderland." Ooh, and here's a French phrase, and my French is really rusty because I only took 1 year of it in high school. Laissez les bon temps rouler. And I'm sure that's not how it's pronounced. Rich and Alicia. Very cool. Thank you guys. Can't wait to see what's in here. Ooh, we got a Boogie Nights cup. Check this mask out. That's cool. Ah, there's the Navy flag and a Milky Way. This is because they knew I liked Milky Ways. Look at all this candy. Oh, Boston baked beans. I guess it's not a can of real baked beans. I thought there was really going to be a can of beans in here. There's the crawdad. A couple of Frisbees. Ooh, some jewelry. We got some Smarties here.
Hey, some are mine.
What? Oh, hold on here. We're gonna be fighting over these. I can see how that goes. You can have the green.
Dang.
Oh, look at all these beads. Holy crap. How do I look? Am I all set for Mardi Gras? Oh, that was really cool. Thank you, Rich and Alicia. We really appreciate it. Up here, we don't celebrate Mardi Gras, or at least I've never come across any sort of Mardi Gras celebrations, parades, anything like that. And neither one of us have been down to New Orleans during Mardi Gras. So this is really cool to have some of this Mardi Gras memorabilia sent to us. Thank you. It was really appreciated. This will definitely brighten up the rest of our winter days that we've got going on here. Remember at the RV camping show where the canister at the end of the video was empty of the Milky Ways? Now I got my Milky Way. I can eat it.
Mom, hurry up.
Yay, Milky Way! Don't tell Marty. Quick story. These crawdads, we actually have crawdads up here in Wisconsin. We have them in the rivers, but stranger, even stranger, is that we have them in the ditches. Back where we used to live, our neighbors would have these, it looked like dirt mounds or little volcanoes of dirt, growing up out of their lawn in the ditch there. And it turns out down inside the little volcanoes are little crawdads like these. And I guess they are really super good to eat. I've personally never had them, but Marty has, and he swears that they're very, very delicious. Boiled up in a pot of some kind of water.